today you're going to do a couple of living thing labs. And guess what? You're the living thing. So you are going to collect data on yourself today. This is a really tricky lab to do if we're talking and counting out loud. So you have to make sure that you're quiet for most of the hour. The first lab you're going to do is called a breathing rate lab. And what you're going to do is you're going to put your hand on your chest, and every time, let me adjust this here. And every time you take a breath in, you count. So every time you take a breath in, you count. Now, the trick is to be relatively relaxed. So you're just going to have your normal breathing rate, and you're going to count how many breaths you take in a minute. And then you're going to do it 10 times. Then you'll add up all those numbers, divide by 10, so you have an average, because the data is definitely going to vary. I'm going to give you a worksheet that looks like this, or you can keep track of the data on just a separate sheet of paper. Okay, so you're just going to count how many times you breathe in 1 minute, and then you're going to do it 10 times and add up those numbers, divide by 10 to find an average. The next lab you're going to take is called a blinker lab. And so your eyes automatically blink. So this might actually be hard to do. You might have to do it in a mirror. And if you need one, I have one for you. But what you're going to do is you're going to count how many times you blink in a minute. And then you're going to do it 10 times. And then you're going to add up all of those 10 times, divide by 10, and find out the average amount of time you blink for each minute. When you're done with both labs and you've collected your data and found your averages, you're going to need to submit a form for your assignment today. All right, and then you got to read a book, because everybody needs the same amount of quiet to do these labs. Have a great one.